Types of chemical reaction: combination reaction, decomposition, displacement, double displacement, and redox reaction. Combination itself tells when two elements or compounds, means two elements can combine. That means hydrogen plus oxygen give rise of, that is elements, right? When I am writing both are examples of the combination, but here the elements combine and here compounds. Element single, compound, that can also. You can take magnesium. I will tell you. Elements chemically, when elements chemically combine to form a compound, that is called the combination reaction. Yes. Fe plus H2, that is Fe2O3. That is the element, that is a combination. Means when two elements or two compounds chemically combine, they form a new product having the different properties. That is called the combination reaction. Is it clear? That is the double displacement. That is the double displacement. We will discuss. Then single. Is it clear? Hanji? Right, beta? Combination is clear. What do you mean by the decomposition? When a compound splits up, या break down या dissociate into two or more elements, that is called decomposition reaction. इसी reaction को we can write H2O, hydrogen plus oxygen bypassing electric current. That is a decomposition reaction. Is it clear? That is the decomposition reaction, right? Now, decomposition reaction is of three types: thermal decomposition, photolytic, and electrolytic, या electrochemical. ठीक है? But before that, one question is there that I had written, that is the calcium oxide plus water, it will give rise to this. Okay, this is the combination reaction. What is this? And another name? Quicklime. Water, slaked lime, or calcium hydroxide or lime water. Okay, what we will use for white washing, right? Otherwise, when you will write down calcium hydroxide, then you will write down solution of slaked lime. That indicates कि water के presence में it will form. What you had done last time, you had read that paragraph where they had written that is formed in the equation this. Right? So what they are showing this equation. So what is used for the whitewashing? Calcium oxide or solution of slaked lime. That is calcium hydroxide when it is used for the whitewashing. But when we are doing this, and at that time the walls are like the very dull in appearance, but after 2 or 3 days they become white. Why? They react calcium. This, you can say this chalk, this is also calcium carbonate. It has a shiny appearance, carbonate compound plus right. So this is the combination as well as the one question from the combination. And what type of, when we are mixing this calcium oxide in a bucket of water, at that time we are not able to touch that beaker or the bucket. Why so? That means the reactions are of the exothermic as well as the endothermic. Exothermic means when the heat is given out, and endothermic when the heat is needed. Right? Magnesium plus oxygen is the exo or endo? endo. Here it is the exo because heat is given out. So this is called the exothermic reaction. Your back exercise question is respiration. Is an example of a exo or endo? Why so? Right? Right? उसके बाद आपके पास one question here during digestion. It is a exo or endo. During digestion, food is broken down into simpler substances. Okay, so these kind of this glucose combined with the oxygen in the cells of the body and gives us energy. At that time, it is a endo. Endo, glucose uses oxygen released out at that time. Endo. ठीक है, right? Decomposition reaction. Thermal, photolytic और electrolytic. Right? Thermal decomposition. 3 equation in your book is given. Right? Thermal decomposition में 3 equation है. Number 1, iron sulfate. We already discussed in the lab lecture also. When it decompose, then but it will be formed Fe2 plus, right? What is the color of the Fe2O3? Brown. Reddish brown fumes will be produced. We already discussed and we saw this thing, right? Second equation, calcium carbonate decomposed, it will form calcium oxide plus CO2. ठीक है? Third equation, lead nitrate. It decomposed, again it is a thermal. When it decomposes, it will give rise to PbO plus NO2 plus O2. Lead oxide, sulfur. Sulfur is having a pungent smell. So ये reaction थी lead oxide plus nitrogen dioxide plus oxygen. And color of this nitrogen dioxide, brown fumes. And lead oxide, you saw this thing also, right? Lead oxide is having a yellowish in color and nitrogen dioxide is of the brown fumes. Is it clear? Right? 1, 2, 3. 3 equations are given in your book under this category, that is a thermal decomposition. Clear है बच्चे? यहाँ पे भी brown fumes, here also brown fumes, yellow precipitate. Right? This is carbon dioxide. When this carbon dioxide, it turns lime water milky, and when excess carbon dioxide is passed, then it convert into the calcium hydrogen carbonate. When excess इसमें से pass करते जाएंगे, then it will form the calcium hydrogen carbonate that is soluble in. Second है photolytic. Photolytic decomposition में we had discussed the 2 equations, right? Both are silver chloride and silver. When it decomposes in presence of sunlight or light, anything we can write, because when we are doing the black and white photography, at that time we use the light, special UV rays like something, right? It will give rise to Ag plus both equations are, we had written, comes under the photolytic decomposition, and these are used in the black and white photography. दोनों silver chloride and silver bromide both are used in the black and white photography. क्या क्या होता है फोटो लाइक कैमरा से, राइट? क्लियर है? डाउट? Now the question comes in any form कि a compound MX, as we had given, compound MX, it decomposed to give the two compounds. One is used for the disinfecting water supply and other is the grayish material and used in making jewelry. So automatically idea comes. But they had given that is used in the jewelry. One of the hints they had given, because chlorine is having a peculiar smell, definitely. But we can write down the another thing that the chlorine is also used for disinfecting water supply, for bleaching. Okay, question can be in two ways. I'm going to ask. Question can be in two ways. If they had written that the chlorine is used for the disinfecting water supply and the other element used for making jewelry, then so it's okay. Agar question आए, chlorine is used for disinfecting water supply and it is used in the preparation of, write down the preparation of that compound that is used for the bleaching agent. So वो तो it automatically, or in the textile industry to bleach the clothes. Again, that is the bleaching, right? Brown color.